Dear students, in previous video I have told you about the seeding fixture procedure in knockout tournament. Today in this video I will explaining you about the special seeding method. In special seeding method we provide the seeding to the teams from special round like as pre-quarter final round and quarter final round. Here the example of 18 teams are participating in the tournament and 4 teams are seeded to quarter final. There are 18 teams are participating in the tournament and 4 teams are seeded to quarter final round. First we do the calculation process. The total number of team N is 18. The total number of matches will be 17. The number of teams in upper half is 9 and the number of teams in lower half is also 9 because there is a team in even number. So we equally divide the teams in upper half and lower half. Then we calculate the total number of rounds. Here the total number of rounds is 5 because there is a nearest power of 2, 2 per power 5. Then we write the total number of seeded team to quarter final. Here the total number of seeded team to quarter final is 4. In seeding tournament, we exclude the seeded team from total number of teams because the seeded teams are not play in preliminary round. After excluding the 4 seeded teams, there are 14 teams remain in the tournament and they start playing from the first round. After excluding 4 seeded teams, there are 14 teams and the total number of teams are not in power of 2. So first we keep the teams in power of 2's. For keeping the teams in power of 2, there is a requirement of 2 byes given to the teams. We equally divide the byes in upper half and lower half. Here is a total number of bye is 2. So 1 bye given to the upper half of the team and 1 bye is given to the lower half of the teams. After the calculation, we draw the knockout fixture of 18 teams. First, we list the total number of teams in ascending order. Then, we divide the teams in upper half and lower half. After that, we place the seeded bye. The first seeded bye is given to the first team of upper half. The second seeded bye is given to the last team of lower half. Third seeded to quarter final is given to the last team of upper half. The fourth seeded to quarter final is given to the first team of lower half. After that we give the bye to the teams according to bye procedure. There are 2 byes will be given to the teams because in first round there are 14 teams and for keeping the teams in power of 2 according to the knockout rules there is a requirement of 2 byes given to the teams. So first bye is given to the last team of lower half 17. Second bye is given to the team number 2. After that we start the match between the teams in first round. In first round, the match between 3 and 4. The 3 becomes winner and reach into the second round. The match between 5 and 6. 6 become winner and enter into the second round. The match between 7 and 8. 7 become winner and enter into the second round. The match between 11 and 12. 12 become winner and enter into the second round. The match between 13 and 14. 13 becomes winner and enter into the second round. The match between 15 and 16. 15 becomes winner and enter into the second round. In second round, 2 meet with 3, 6 meet with 7, 12 meet with 13, and 15 meet with 17. In second round, the match between 2 and 3, 3 becomes winner and reach into the third round. In match between 6 and 7, 6 becomes winner and enter into the third round. In match between 12 and 13, the 13 becomes winner and enter into the third round. The match between 15 and 17, 17 become winner and enter into the third round. In third round, the 3 meet with the first seeded team 1. In third round, 6 meet with the third seeded team. The 17 meet with the second seeded team 18, and the 13 meet with the fourth seeded team 10 in third round. The match between 1 and 3, 1 become winner and reach into the fourth round. The match between 6 and 9, 6 become winner and enter into the fourth round. The match between 10 and 13, the 10 become winner and reach into the fourth round. The match between 17 and 18, 18 becomes winner and enter into the fourth round. In fourth round, the match between 1 and 6 and 1 become winner and enter into the final round. The match between 10 and 18, 18 become winner and reach into the final round. Finally, the two teams meet with each other into the final round. In fifth round, there is a final in between the 1 and 18. Finally, 1 become the winner of the tournament. This is the fixture of seeding tournament in which seeding given to the team in special round. I hope this video will help to you in learning seeding in knockout tournament.